Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Nespresso brand coffee maker and the lights are flashing on it and it's not working and you're wondering, what do you need to do to get it working? So the lights flashing on the Nespresso coffee machine is what they call a descaling alert, which basically there's minerals in your water, and as you use your coffee machine, those minerals kind of deposit and build up in the water lines within the machine. And if they build up too much, they can keep the thing won't work. Even the heat sensor won't work. The water won't flow properly. So every once in a while, you need to descale it. And so that's what this flashing light indicates, that it's time to do a descaling on your machine. And so you can do that. There's a lot of different videos online, and the user manual will show you how. It's pretty simple. There's usually some descaling product that you're going to put in the water tank and then run a descaling cycle on your machine. So anyways, you want to do this pretty quickly after you get it so that the minerals don't continue to build up. So I hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.